Here I have Huawei P30 Pro, and let me show you how to use timer on the following device. So at first you have to find and select clock icon, it's this one. And now go to timer. As you can see here, you've got several options, but you have to select the timer. And now simply by selecting the period of time, so let me for example pick 3 seconds, maybe 4, and then selecting the sound of the ring. As you can see, you have plenty of them. I will leave the default one, timer beep. You can count some time, so if you will set it for about even an hour or more, you can set up to 99 hours, but let me show you it in 4 seconds. After this time, you will see the ring. So let me show you, just tap on play. And now it's ringing, as you can see. You can obviously slide, you have to slide to turn off this timer, but you can also use your phone while it's counting the time. As you can see, you have just to go back and it's still counting the time, and it will tell you once it's after. As you can see, here's timer, 57 minutes left. So just tap on pause if you want to, then you can start from the scratch. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.